What do you mean the couch is broken? Copyright free movies? That doesn't even make any sense. Alright, I'll follow you. Alright, now what is going to show me? Because there's no way that couch is playing. What the hell? Alright, you know what? I'm not even dealing with this today. Viper! Yes? Can you try to figure out why our couch keeps playing copyrighted free music with Yoshi? Alright, I will do that. Also, yeah, take Yoshi with you. Alright, come on, Yoshis. What happened to the couch? Talks or will make you talks. Still not talking, so we have other ways to make you talks. Well then, looks like now we're standing on this very, very, very tall ledge. Well, if you don't want to talk, then he'll just push you down. Or you could just talk, and we'll all be okay. Just tell us, why is the TVs playing copyrighted musics? I mean, non-copyrighted musics. Right then, Yoshi, push him downs. So glad I sent those guys to figure out what happened today instead of me. Now I can finally just relax. Today we are here in my courtroom, or my bathroom. Sorry, we couldn't really afford an actual courtroom. Anyways, today we are here at this evil-looking man because of his dirty, dirty crimes. Now, just so you know, I know this courtroom case is very rushed. Like we're literally here standing in the bathroom, but I think that's breaking a few amendments. Anyways, let's bring out our first witness. Oh wait, you're already here. Hi, Viper. So this was this couch, and it was playing non-copyrighted musics. Go now, you're lying. You gotta check this out. This is the couch. Okay. It looks normal. Whoa! This is actually playing non-copyrighted music. And you're sure that the defendant did this? Yes, I am sure. Yoshi, what? I should have gotten health insurance so I could go to an actual hospital. But now I have to lay down in this bed with video game controllers on it. Yo, God, why didn't I get health insurance? The last thing I remember was Zeke dropping down on me. And I heard he's on court. I hope they take all this money and send him to jail for as long as he lives. Also, Yoshi, I have something to tell you. Yoshi, I have cancer in my head. That's right. There's cancer right now in my head. It's okay, Yoshi. You have to be strong. Have to be strong. I think I might be able to get the cancer out of my head. Right? But I can feel the cancer taking over my head. Oh my God, the cancer is taking over my head. Hello, I am cancer. I've taken over his head. No. Okay, I got the cancer out. I need an actual doctor to get the cancer completely out of my head so it doesn't take over my body and give everyone cancer in their heads. Now tell me something. What do you mean it was you that dropped down Zeke from really high onto my head, and then you framed it on him? And it was Viper too? Oh God. We have to get Zeke out of court because it wasn't his fault. Yoshi, you gotta do something. Yoshi!